Namaste, hello and welcome to Cooking Sessions with Kitty Masala. This is me, Manu Masala, and today I shall show you how to make a tomato gravy, a base tomato gravy, which you can use to make quick Indian dishes. Usually Indian cooking takes a lot of time for preparation. This base gravy with the tomatoes, onion and a few spices, and you can store it in an airtight container. You have a base spice ready for a week to make vegetables really quick. And to do this, we will use around half a kilo tomatoes, finely chopped. We use 2 medium-sized onions, finely chopped, a spoonful of cumin seeds, 2 green chilies, finely chopped, bayleaves, 1 teaspoon of curcuma, coriander powder and cumin powder. Loads of oil. So we heat the oil in the pan, and then we add the bay leaves. Just whole, and we let them heat and start cooking. You see them already releasing bubbles in the mix, in the oil, that is, yeah. And you let them cook for like 10 to 15 seconds. Then we put in the cumin seeds. You will see the oil is heated and it's immediately popping. So we throw in the green chili. And this we cook it for another 10 or 15 seconds, not long. And then we throw in the onions. We cook this till the onions start getting transparent. You will see the onions are almost done. Getting transparent, a little golden brownish. Put in some salt as per taste. And then we throw in the turmeric, cumin powder and the coriander powder. Well, so we've been cooking this mix for 2 minutes and you see it's almost done. You can smell the aroma. And this phase we throw in the tomatoes. And we cook it for 5 minutes. Make sure you check it in between so that it doesn't really get dried up. They release a lot of water, which is good. We just mash them a little bit. And now we add 1 teaspoon of raw sugar or jaggery. This sugar takes away the super tanginess of this mix. Also cuts down the spice a bit and helps it preserve. Yeah. And now what we do is we take this mix out. Try and filter out as much oil as possible. This is ready to go. This you can store it in your refrigerator in an airtight container. This will last you for almost a week. And every time you want to make a quick Indian vegetable dish, you can use this masala mix. Please remember, masala, it means spice, but in Indian cooking, mix like this is also called a masala. This is the tomato masala with the masalas. Okay, so now we do a quick mixed veg using the tomato gravy masala that we have cooked. I already have my vegetables finely chopped, some carrot, beans, okra, mushrooms, a little bit of pumpkin and spinach. And here we have one small onion finely chopped, 1 inch of ginger cut into slices, and 1 little spoon of garam masala. So this is the oil that I've used before, the extra oil. I drained it off the pan, and now we shall use it to make our mixed veg. A little bit of oil, and we let it heat. We keep it on high flame, and then we throw in the onions and the ginger. Once again, we cook it till the onions become a little transparent. This takes you about 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Now we see in about 2 minutes the onions are already cooked, they're getting brownish, and at this point we put in 2 spoons of the tomato spice mix we made today. Mix them all together. And to this I shall add a little bit of water. Not too much, because this is going to be a dry dish, it's not a gravy dish. And then we throw in the vegetables one by one. The beans, then the carrots, because beans and carrots will take a little while longer to cook. Let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes on medium flame. I think I will add a little more oil to this. Then I throw in the pumpkin, the mushrooms and the okra. And we throw in the spinach. And we add the garam masala. So just a little bit of water so that it cooks faster. Say 1/4 of this glass. So you see, this has been cooking for 5-10 minutes. In between we just checked it. If you feel it's getting too dry, add a little more water. And now this is ready to go. You see, your pumpkin is cooked, your carrot is cooked. This is ready to serve and eat. Now we should go and enjoy this mixed veg we just cooked. I hope you enjoyed today's cooking sessions with Kitty Masala. Feel free to leave your suggestions and comments. And if you like what you see, subscribe to our channel. Until next time, adios, namaste. Ready?
Yes.
Today I shall be namaste. Stop laughing behind the camera, then
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Okay.
That's Spania. And today I shall be showing you.
Say this again. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.